With Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Breville Bambino here. It had an electrical short, so it was tripping the GFCI, and when I opened it up I found that it had a leak coming from this elbow. So here's the old one. So we ordered a new elbow, replaced it, and everything's working great now. So I just want to pull a shot to show you that everything is in working condition. And since we have the machine in the shop, we just decided to clean the steam wand with our milk cleaner. So it just had a little bit of milk buildup on it. And we also deep cleaned the portafilter with our coffee cleaner. So I'll pull a double shot here. And this is just our test coffee, so it's not calibrated to this specific machine, so the shot might not come out perfectly, but you'll still get a pretty good idea of how the machine works. I'm just going to stop it there. Okay, so as you can see, it's brewing perfectly fine. Everything's working, and that's about it. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.